The community we serve, the need is tremendous. We see a lot of homeless, a lot of veterans, a lot of children. We see a lot of what we call the working poor. I mean, they're trying to make it, but dentistry and medicine is very expensive. It's easy sometimes to tell people, hey, by the way, I'm sorry, this is way beyond what we can do. Where do they go?
When I wanted to smile, to talk to people, I was ashamed, covering my mouth, because sometimes the kids were like, what happened? It hurts, like I'm sensitive.
I would say here, within a month, I will see more severely medically compromised patients than you would see in 5 years in private practice. I mean, we see people who have had heart surgeries, we see people who have undergone cancer treatments. This is a daily occurrence here.
There are very few organizations in the Phoenix area that do as much good work as does St. Vincent de Paul. They're not doing it right for their own notoriety. They're doing it right because the people that need it are benefiting. These people really care. If you can go to that clinic, go to that facility, and not walk out of there with a changed heart, then you don't have a heart.
I don't have another possibility in another place because it's too expensive for us. But with the St. Vincent de Paul the clinic, it was possible, and for me, it's a miracle. To all the doctors, I'm very grateful for all the help.
It's had a tremendous impact in many ways. First of all, on all the students and all the residents that come here. Many will say this was the best experience they had. We've pretty much trained all the staff members that are here. They're trained in orthodontics, they're trained in oral surgery, they're trained in implants, probably some of the best trained dental assistants in the state.
We're a family. This is my second house, so this is where I spend most of my hours. Every day or on the weekends, I'm looking forward to come to work. I'm happy to come here. When I graduate dental school, this is where I want to come to work.
It also has an impact, in the oral health of the people of this community, that they know that there's a place where they can come and receive treatment.
The team that treated me, they always were so kind, and they wanted to see everything on my mouth, like if I have cavities, if I have a root canal that has to be fixed. And they told me that I can have the braces, and they put it on, and now I got them off, and I have a beautiful smile. So I'm so happy.
With the expansion, they're going to go from 8 dental operatories to about 16. So they'll be able to go from serving 6,000 patients a year to 10,000 patients a year. And most of those will be new patients. So when we had the opportunity to live our mission through St. Vincent de Paul, this is a perfect fit.
Without people like Delta Dental, this clinic wouldn't exist. I've been at this for 23 years, and I honestly feel with this expansion, we're just on the launch pad. In the types of procedures that we can offer patients, in the training that we do with students and residents. It's hard to work with people who have so little every day and not feel their pain, their anxiety about life. But on the ride home that night, you think, there's nowhere else I would have rather been today than here helping these people. Miracles happen here every day. It's amazing how volunteers and students will come here and they'll say, I came here to help change people's lives. And they say, my life changed the most.